We are group 17, and this video is a showcase of our medicine project. Now, the app we decided to develop is an internship app. This app was made with students in mind. This is to provide them enough experience to be adequate for the workforce. Now, we'll go ahead and launch the app. Okay, so here we have the login page. Now here, one is required to fill in their email address here in this field and their password in this field. Then you sign in. To create an account, you click create one here. Now here is the sign up page. Here you are required to fill in your full name here, your email address in this section, your password in this field, and select a role. Either you're a student who wants an internship or a recruiter who is looking for interns. Then you then sign up by clicking here. Since I've already created an account, we'll log in and see what the network is about. Now fill in our details to log in. Now here we have the recruiter's dashboard. This is where a recruiter posts internship for students to find. Okay, so on the recruiter's dashboard, we have the message section where you can message newly admitted students or interns. We have the notification panel, settings, to which can change profile and sound settings. Okay, so then this is the internship form. This is where companies and workplaces or recruiters post their internship. They fill in the details such as title, where the title of the intern position is stated, the company's name here in this field, location of the company, the duration of the internship. Here is where you select multiple courses of students to narrow down who the internship is meant for. In order to select multiple courses, you hold down on Control or Command for Windows and Mac respectively, and use your mouse to select the courses. Then here we have my application deadline. Here you select the deadline for the internship application form. Here is where you describe the internship in order to clarify on more information to the interns or students. Here is what the students and interns will learn during the internship. Here is where it's specified if the internship is to be paid or unpaid. And here is where it specifies the amount for if the internship is paid or not. Then here is where it specifies other benefits an intern will get during the internship. Here you also take whether the internship is remote or not. And here is how highly rated the internship position is. And here is where you specify the number of students to be admitted for the internship. When you're done, you then submit in order to edit the internships you've already posted. You click here, and here you are allowed to edit the internship you've already posted. When you're done, you click Save Changes to save the changes. Then we'll now go to the students' dashboard. Now we'll log in to the students' dashboard. So here is the student dashboard, and here you find the message modal where students or interns can message the companies or recruiters, the notification panel, and the settings where you can also edit your profile. So now here, if a student wants to apply for an internship, they click here, find internships, and they can filter their internships by either searching by title, searching by location, and specifying compensation type. They can also filter the internships by courses in order to narrow down the internships provided. You can also make the page specify your internships you like to apply for by updating your profile here, your name, university, course of study, year of study, location, and compensation type. When you're done, you save profile. Here is the internship we already listed. You click on it to expand for more information. Then you click Apply Now to apply. And then in order to see for the internships you've applied for, you go back and click on My Applications. Here is where you see the internship you have applied for and to the status of which you have been accepted or not, and the recruiter's name. You can choose to cancel an application you've already applied for by clicking here, the cancel button. Now here is the resume. Here is where your experience pile up and make up an interesting resume for the students or intern. Right now, it's a bit lacking. We'll update it in the future. And that's all for our app, the network. Thank you.